Before I start talking about TOK, I'd just like to remind everybody about the IB theme, and we're here to create knowledgeable and caring young people to make this world a better place. And we know now more than ever we need to do that. So you might be thinking, TOK, how does it fit into IB? You know about your math class, your science class, your English class, but we also talk about the IB core. Now when we're talking about the IB core, we're talking about TOK, we're talking about extended essay, we're talking about CAS. And then as you can see on the graphic, also approaches of teaching and learning that really build a foundation for how your teachers are going to be teaching all of your classes, and the IB learner profile, those attributes that we really want to infuse in all of your academic and extracurricular pursuits. So you're wondering, why am I in TOK? I have all these other classes. They're taking up your time. Why do I need this? And the reason you need to have this class, because you need to know how we know things. How do we know, or how is that knowledge that are in all those textbooks that you use developed and then added to over time? So what you're really doing in TOK is pulling back the curtain, the mystery on how we know things. I think you're really going to enjoy doing that. Thinking for yourself, that's extremely critical to be able to do. Taking in all the information, because now more than ever you're being fed lots and lots of information. Mostly through your phones and all the apps that you're using. So you gotta be able to see through misinformation. Our human brain is highly susceptible to misinformation. I am too. I'm always using the TOK techniques to try to do better at seeing misinformation and not being fooled and tricked and conned. Nobody wants to be fooled. So TOK will make you better at avoiding that. And also being able to connect all of your classes together. Can't tell you how many times in my biology class, students struggle with knowing what a standard deviation is, even what mean, median, and mode mean. Even though they're in a calculus class, they've learned all that, but they struggle to apply it in biology. Well, TOK we're gonna combine those ideas in your different content classes, so you'll be able to transfer your knowledge in between them. And I think IB has always been, good at doing that. Knowing what's good evidence for a claim. That's like what we do in biology: claim, evidence, reasoning. Evidence is everything when we try to make a determination or a claim. So how was that evidence? How was it developed? Who paid to get that evidence developed? What might be the motivations behind that information? That's what's going to be driving us, along with these other two more in-depth questions that you're seeing right there. Here's the basic structure of TOK. You'll see knowledge themes, areas of knowledge, assessment. The stuff at the bottom, everybody's going to do. But what I really like is anytime in IB, which is often, you get a choice of what you study. So as far as the knowledge themes go, we're all going to be doing the knower themes, and we're going to do the language theme. But you're going to get to decide either to do technology, politics, religion, or indigenous societies. As a class, we'll vote on those, and we'll choose whichever one you guys are most interested in. I think, and I can't wait to see which one. I've already taken some, I've asked you some mindful warm-up questions about those, and it's been interesting hearing what you have to say about those. This is how we'll approach each theme and area of knowledge. The scope, like what it is, what does it entail, the perspectives, methods, and tools. And ethics is so critical. And I talk about the difference between IB and AP, and it's always been the case in IB. We've always imbued all the core with ethics. The last thing we want to do is educate a bunch of students that are highly capable, highly knowledgeable, but don't have principles, ethics, and morals. So we're always looking at, what's the right thing to do when we look at all of the themes that we're seeing in TOK. I just can't stress that enough. I think like Lady Gaga. I think that's Lady Gaga. Morals, ethic, your code, doing the right thing. If you don't do that, no matter what you do in life, if you make a lot of money, it's just not going to be as meaningful, even though the world will tell you otherwise. Ethics matter. I know you're thinking about the assessments, and I don't know, maybe I should have started with this, but you'll do a 1,600-word essay on a prompt that you will get, and we will help guide you before you do this essay, and we will be able to look at a rough draft and give you some pointers. So don't worry, you got this. We'll help you. And then exhibition, I think, is a lot of fun. You will get to choose some objects that have meaning in your life that apply to one of the themes that we've studied in TOK, and then just give a short discussion of it and short little write-ups about each one. So all I gotta say is you got this. Keep studying, keep working hard, keep asking me questions, and you'll do fantastic.